Yo, we're back with another one from Plug-in Exotic Flavors. Now this is, I believe this is some, I don't know, 500 milli anyway. Oh mate, there's a lot here, there's a lot here. Oh my days, bro, look at this. Oh my days, bruv. Oh, it smells buttery and good. Oh my god. Bro, that is banging, mate. What? What? Bruv, there's a lot there. Good catch, son. This is buttery, chocolatey, cakey. Got a bit of weed in there as well. You know, like the flavour that you get. Not bitter though. It's not bitter at all. And that, I don't like that in edibles when it comes through all bitter and everything. Oh. I could only do half. Plug-in Exotic Flavors. Bang on, bruv. Nice one. Let's see if it hits me. Where? So I must have had about 250 milligrams of that Plug-in Exotic Flavors. Bruv. Fucking hell, mate. I gotta have me dinner. Look at me fucking boat. I don't know, it ain't even hit probably yet, but my man. My man. Wicked, bro. Nice one. Top notch, and tastes fucking amazing as well, bro. Tastes amazing. I've got to get out of this sun. Fucking hell.